You're not dreaming. This is 2 lofts with the ultimate chef's kitchen. Welcome to your new home. What can I say? You are staring at the Forest River Grand Lodge 42 view. And when I tell you, I walked in this, I screamed like I'd won a double showcase. I went, oh my gosh. Why? Because we have 2 loft space with stairwells. We have the bathroom on one side. We have the main bedroom on the other with a fireplace and bay window. Are you kidding? And then look at this chef's kitchen. Slide-in stove, 4-burner residential top, microwave, LG side-by-side fridge. What? I mean, this is the kind of kitchen you dream about in a residential home, but then to have it available to you with a waterfall seamless countertop, undermount apron sink. I don't even know where to begin. And I love that when you decide to think differently, and that's what Forest River's done. They got rid of your traditional dinettes and gave you this Eden Island that seats up to 5. I love that. Opens right up to the sectional in the living room, and this kitchen just becomes so much the heart of the home. And isn't it really everywhere you go? What makes these park models great? These are the kind that you sit in an area, maybe you're lucky enough to have land, maybe it's a park somewhere that you go, you know what? I love this community. I want something that's home that we can go to on the weekends, and this is that RV. I mean, the windows, to see 106 inches of nothing but glass, absolutely gorgeous. And what I love, not only do they have they have the black rods, so you've got these gorgeous black matte rods that are so in right now. This 2024 really speaks to everything that's happening in design. From the white oak cabinets, which are gorgeous, look at the pantry. I love it, how deep, so much storage. The use of space, taking everything up as far as it can go. That slide out, that's seamless, and the transition on the top, just all the fascia, every detail has been thought through on this Grand Lodge. And again, these pressed surfaces, having that waterfall edge on an RV. Did y'all hear me? What? I still can't get over the fact that this is not a residential home. The farmhouse lighting features, the gorgeous beam details. There is so much to this rig. I don't even know where to begin. I don't even want to call it a rig because I genuinely have to keep pinching myself that I'm not in a residential home. So let's go check out the living room, shall we? Look at this sectional. Over 81 inches of sectional space for the whole family to enjoy. This great ottoman with storage, the fireplace. Oh, and a telescoping TV. I mean, when you're wanting to sit here and just have a gorgeous glass of wine at the end of the day, look at this view, great. And then you're like, you know what? Sun's down, let's watch a movie. It telescopes right on up. Are you kidding me? How great is this? The LED lights, I love the flush mount lights above the sofa as well. Great touch, black matte. And again, look y'all, they did this extra feature that I'm gonna go ahead. Look at this, oops, here we go. Extra feature that I love. Are you kidding? So simple, so lovely, so lovely. And this is the other amazing feature. I'll walk over and show you in a minute. Every single blind is motorized, so there's no pull down. There's a complete control panel because of the height of the ceiling. All your windows are motorized. I know. Didn't it just get so chic in here? Don't you feel like this is the most elevated thing you've ever been in? Don't worry, there's more. That was just the living room. Which way do we go? Maybe up to loft 1 because we have 2. Let's go. Hi, I'm up here. Yes, loft 1. Nice to see you. It sleeps 2 up here very comfortably. We have the on-off light. We have a power port for 2 USBs on either side, tablets, phones, whatever you got, and then built-in cubbies for everyone on either side. This is the kids' dream, grandkids' dream. I'm telling you right now, this is an amazing bunk space. Truthfully, I could make this my office. I could work up here, no problem. Air conditioning right there, fans above, and again, it's 106 inches of ceiling height. I can see straight across to the other bunk. I love it here. Oh, I guess we should go see more. Let's check out the bathroom. Come on. Okay, before we go in the bathroom, I want to show you this really cool feature that was such an attention to detail. We have one of the doors right here. So we have a slider down on that end. We have the actual door here. But what they did was put the bathroom door on a louver so it doesn't hit the main door. I mean, they really thought of everything. So come on. Look at the size of this bathroom, y'all. First of all, let's start all the way back. We've got linen towel closets, which I love. Deep, deep storage, fantastic. This vanity, very residential inspired. You've got the space down below that you could do rolled towels, which is so elevated. You've got the storage drawer, then another ledge as well, which I think is great. The mirror, the low clean lighting, that's very big right now in 2024 design. Toilet, the size of this shower, rainfall shower head, handheld body spray, and then of course 2 body sprayers on top of it. Love the matte black fixture and thermostatics in here. It's fantastic. Then you're thinking, wait, there's a vent on this. Why? Well, of course you and I both know that means washer, dryer, prep, honey. But right now it is set to go as a closet. So maybe right now it's gonna be a closet for you, but as soon as you get this all in at your new beachside, lakeside, mountainside retreat, this becomes washer, dryer. So it's already vented on the door for that. So smart. I love this bathroom. And then it's on the whole other side of the house from the main bedroom, even better. So let's go check out loft number 2. So here I am in loft number 2. Look at this beautiful spiral accent on the staircase coming up here. All the black matte finishes, and this side sleeps 3, and I think it is so fantastic with the built-in cubbies in the back, power ports, it's TV ready. I love that it has the privacy curtains up here as well, so if somebody's sleeping in and I'm down there making breakfast, I already see this happening. I'm making some breakfast, having my coffee, looking out at the ocean. Doesn't this sound like a dream? Now I just need to find an ocean front, well, ocean view lot to park this in. But either way, when you're up here, y'all, because of the height of these windows, you can see forever, and it is so beautiful. The line and profile is just gorgeous, and I think that's another reason this Wildwood Grand Lodge is just so epic. This is one of those destination models that you can't imagine not having. The second you're in one, you're trying to figure out, where am I going to put it? Where am I going to live that I can live in this? It just feels like home. And I haven't even shown you the main bedroom. Shall we go? Come on. Look at the main bedroom, y'all. Do you see this bayed out window? This is a king bed. Do you see how much room is in your bedroom? Do you see? It's crazy. Built-in wardrobes, full-length mirror, over-bed storage. I love that you get power ports and USBs on the side of the bed. This is a versatile bed. What's that mean to you and me? Well, it's got the incliner. So you just hit that button, honey, and boop, she pops right up. You can sit, tilt at night, watch TV. Oh, did I mention the part where you have a fireplace in your bedroom? Yeah, a fireplace. Built-in dresser, and all of this view. Imagine it's the lake, the mountains, the beach. And then you're just sitting out there looking at night. You can lay in the bed, incline it up, and look at your view. I'm so excited for you. I can't wait to see where you decide to pop this bad boy down. This Grand Lodge is like, it's nothing I've ever seen. I'm in love with it. For 2024, for my money, this is what I'm betting on. It's perfect. Everything about this unit is perfect. And I didn't even talk about this gorgeous LVL throughout. Luxury vinyl laminate is so beautiful. And it's the elevation features. It's one of those touches that you just keep going, this is so great. We were ready for this in 2024. Thank you, Forest River. And now we have to go outside. There's still more to see. Let's go. So I'm stepping out the slider door on this gorgeous Grand Lodge. We have a main entry door on the other side, but I really do love this entry. You've got a 26-foot awning, outdoor speakers, which are absolutely gorgeous. And then of course you have the outdoor satellite connect. So this really does become that extended living room. Now, when we say park model, what that means is this is one that is going to live in a destination. This is not towing around the great United States. This is getting parked either at a resort, or maybe you have are lucky enough to have land at a lake, at the beach, in the mountains, and then these stairs we would take away. You would build a deck on one of those gorgeous, sunny, beautiful days that you can sit out under this 26-foot awning. And this really becomes, maybe it is your main home, it's your second home, but it's a destination. And I'm telling you right now, I have found my RV. I hope to goodness you've thought so too. So if you love this Forest River, Wildwood, Grand Lodge 42 view as much as I do, please get into your local Camping World today. Get your eyes and your hands on this beauty, and like and subscribe this video. We'd love to hear from you, and tell them at Camping World that Trish sent you. We can't wait to see you.